welcome to today's video. So before we share another method to start making money online, and today's video is a belter, I promise you. But before we jump into this one, let's go and announce yesterday's winner for the iPassive course. So if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. Every day we do a giveaway for some of my online courses, and very quickly at the beginning of the video we just announced yesterday's winner. So let's just go and do this now. So we're going to put the URL in over here for yesterday's video. I'm going to click on get YouTube comments. Let's see how many we got for yesterday's. So we've got 44 unique comments. Let's scroll down here and we'll pick a random winner. Good luck to everyone. And our winner is Kenny Bryan. So Kenny, congratulations to you. Send me a message over on Facebook or send me an email and I'll send you a link over to iPassive. Today I'm going to be giving away a different course. I'm going to be giving away this one here. It's the Not Taught at School Affiliate Academy. So if you want to get this course, really simple. Like or dislike the video, comment down below if you found it useful, if you didn't, or just simply comment Affiliate Academy and you'll be in with a chance to win this Affiliate Academy. So let's jump into today's method and I'll show you an actual, I did a case study on this a couple of days ago and this took me about 5 minutes to set everything up and I earned money with this and it's all free. So let me show you today's video and how you can start making some money online. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share a method with you that you can use today to start making money online, and this is absolutely for free. You do not need any skills or experience with this, and this is a method that I first used probably about 3 or 4 years ago, and I've not done anything with this for the last couple of years, and I did a little test on this a couple of days ago and I'm going to share the results with you in this video. So what is this method and how can you make money with this? Well, we're going to be focusing on Christmas because it's right around the corner, but this also works in, you can do this for Halloween, you can do this for Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, any of these special occasions, you can do it for these, and you can also, break this off and go down like into different niches and categories if you really want. But let me show you exactly how this works, and as I've said, you can do all of this today for free. So please make sure you watch this video till the end, because if you miss any of these steps, then you're not going to know how to do this. But if you watch it till the end, you'll know exactly how to set all of this up and how it all works. So what is this? Let me go ahead and show you. So I'm going to go over here to this Facebook page here, and this Facebook page, this is one of my pages, and I've not done anything with this for 2 years. I'll show you this in a second. So this is the Facebook page. It's called Gift Money Savers. So it's a Facebook page about sharing gifts, and this was the first post I did. I think I did this 2 days ago, 3 days ago, but I've not done anything on this page for a couple of years. So what was this post here? So you can see this was the whole post. These are now available on Amazon for just £7.50, plus they have many colours available, and there's a link here going over to Amazon. What was the product? It was this product here, this video, this transforming robot basically. Let me show you in. So you can click on here so we can show you this video again. So it looks pretty awesome, doesn't it? So this was the first post I did on the page. So I went onto Amazon, I found the products that I wanted to share, and literally I'm doing these Facebook posts here. So this was the first one. If I then scroll up here, when was this from? This was from 9 hours ago. You see, this is one for Harry Potter fans. and then we've got another one up here, which is this one here for some Play-Doh set. So how does this method work, and how do you set this up? Well, in terms of this method, it's affiliate marketing at the basic, and on this page here, at this moment in time for this little small test I've done, I've focused on Amazon Associates. And if you don't know what the Amazon Associates is, you can go and join the partner program over on Amazon. You can also do this on eBay, you can do it on Etsy, and hundreds more of these programs, and you sign up to become an affiliate. Once you're an affiliate for these programs, I can then share links to any product on Amazon that I want, and if anybody goes ahead and clicks on this and purchases this product here, I earn an affiliate commission. The awesome thing about this as well is, if somebody was to go ahead and purchase, like click on this link here and go through to Amazon and maybe purchase this, but whilst on Amazon purchase something else, you also earn an affiliate commission. It's pretty simple to do, and it's just another way that you can make money online for free. So if I go and show you this, so let me just show you 100% what I'm telling you is true. So you can see on here, the last post I actually did on this page was in 2017. So I've not done anything with this for a couple of years. And then I did this one here. What is today's date? The 6th. So I did this one here a couple of days ago. And then I did this one, and this one. So I did 4 posts, and it literally took me about 2 minutes, I'd say, if that, 2 minutes to go ahead and put these products on here. Now, what I like about this method is this is organic traffic. It's free traffic. You don't need to pay for this. So you see the first one here, reach and clicks. So this post here, it reached 206 people. 8 people clicked on this. This one here, look at this. Reach 2,800 and 230 people clicked on the link. We've then got this one here, 84 and 5, and this one 88 and 5. And the reason why this method works really well is it's free. You can get this up and running today. All you need to do is go ahead and create a Facebook page. Once you've created a Facebook page, in this example here, we're focusing on Christmas, but you can go down any niche or any topic that you want to do. And then once you've created your page and you've decided on your niche, you go and find products that you want to promote. And as I've mentioned, you can join the Amazon Associates partner program. You can go and join eBay. You can do Etsy. And literally just go on Google and type in affiliate partner networks or affiliate networks, and you'll find hundreds of these where you can go ahead and share these posts and earn commissions for doing so. And you see, this number of clicks and people going through, it's just fantastic, because what you can actually do on Facebook is when there's a post on a page, so let me go back over here on this Gift Money Savers page here. If I share something from here onto my own Facebook profile, every one of my friends will see that post. So if I go up here, sorry, let me just close this, I need to go and get my battery. If I go onto my Facebook profile here and scroll down, you can see I shared this a couple of days ago. Look, this is awesome. Is it wrong that I want one? And that's it. And people see this and they like, comment, and some people will share this and tag their friends and other bits on here. But it's just a really simple method that you can use to start making money online. Now let me go ahead and show you this over on Amazon. So from this here, we did what? What have we done? So we've done not this one, because this wasn't a link over to Amazon, but this one, and this one. So 3 posts on Facebook, which took me a couple of minutes. How much did we earn? So you can see here, we earned £1.04. So in the UK, £1.04. If this was in the US, it would be about $1.40. And you might be thinking, that's not a lot of money. It's not, it really isn't. But I just wanted to test this out to see if this method still works, and it's a free method. And as you've seen here from these posts that I did on Facebook in the last couple of days, does the method work? Yes. Is it free? Yes. Is it available worldwide? Yes, it absolutely is. So you can see on here we've had 153 clicks over onto Amazon, 15 items have been ordered, and then shipped items, etc. So it's currently got a 9.8% conversion rate. Now you remember at the beginning of this video I said to you, if somebody clicks on the link and then they go and buy additional products, you earn a commission. And that's true here, because see this here, this amazing things transform, basically the car that I'd shared over on Facebook. See here, 7 people ordered through this link here. But then if you scroll down here, you've got this all other items ordered. This one here, what the heck is that? quieting close folder t-shirt. So somebody's clicked on this link and they've come through, and some people have bought this, or some people might have clicked through, not bought this, but then whilst on Amazon gone ahead and bought something else, and someone's bought this folding t-shirt item. If you scroll down here, you can see down here someone has bought this let's go and have a look at this digital camera. Let's go and look at this. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm sorry about this, I don't know why my internet's going so slow. So somebody's actually gone ahead and purchased this camera here for £7.88, and I've earned an affiliate commission for doing so, just from them going through to Amazon from my Facebook page. And it really is simple to do. So in terms of Amazon, you can sign up to these and you can start promoting content and sharing content. You can go over to the eBay Partner Network and do this. You can go over to Etsy, and there's so many more of these. Now, is this a method that I'm going to be focusing on myself moving forward? No, it isn't. Is this a method I've used in the past? Yeah, 100%. When I first signed up to this, when I first started this method a couple of years ago, I was earning some pretty decent money with this, and I'll give you a little tip. If you go over to the eBay Partner Network, within the first 2 months of you signing up, you earn double commission. So when I first set up this Gift Money Savers page over on Facebook, I focused predominantly on eBay because I was earning double commissions from the eBay Partner Network. So I would go ahead and do that. And let me just show you how quick and easy this is to do. So over on Amazon, let me just get this and scroll up to the top. On Amazon here, you can simply go ahead and find any product, right? So let me just go and show you this. So if I go to deals, go to today's deals, right? If I wanted to go ahead and share this here, for example, I'm going to click on this product here. We'll go into this product here. So you can see £10.99, free delivery, etc. You see up here, once you're part of the Amazon Associates platform, you can get these links up here. So if I click on get link text, that's that there is my affiliate link. If I click on image, I'd get an image obviously, and if I click on text and image, lo and behold, I get both of them. But in terms of the text, click on text, that there is my affiliate link. So I would copy that, and then I would go over to Facebook and I would post that on the page. And as you saw, the posts that I'm sharing on Facebook, they're really short for this little test here. They're genuinely really simple posts. And why does this method work? Well, especially around Christmas time, people are always, on the lookout for products and, things that they can give to the family and the friends and the kids. And sometimes they're just looking for inspiration, or sometimes they just can't even bother to go and start looking for products themselves. And if they see something on Facebook, very likely, as you've seen in this example here, they might go over to Amazon, they might buy the product, they might not. But if they've clicked on your link and gone over to Amazon, then you can earn an affiliate commission for anything else that they're looking to purchase. So that is today's video. It's a pretty short video, but the method works. It's very simple, it's free, it's available worldwide, and you can get this up and running today. So what will you need for this? Well, you'll need a Facebook page and you'll need a product that you're going to promote. And as I've mentioned, you can use Amazon, you can go and use the eBay, let me just show you this one, Partner Network. Can go over here and sign up to eBay Partner Network and start making some money with this one. There's Etsy, and just Google it. I mean, look at this. So there's many more. You've got Share a Sale, Amazon. I wouldn't recommend ClickBank for this, but Commission Junction, and there's so many more. Just do a simple Google for this and go ahead and have a look at this. But that is another method that you can start making money online today for free. And as you've seen here, from this little test here, from doing it's 3 posts, isn't it? Because this one here wasn't promoting a product. So from 3 posts, I earned £1, and it took me, as I've mentioned, it took me a couple of minutes to go through and set all of this up. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.